Hi, my name is Nancy Thomas, and I am a volunteer as well as a part-time staff member at St. Francis Wildlife in Quincy, Florida. My primary job there is to take care of our needy songbirds, especially all those babies that fall out of the nest and need help in the spring. What I'd like to show you today is how to make a nest for those babies. The first thing you need to do is just get some regular newspaper, standard size newspaper, and you take a piece of that newspaper, and what you want to do is you want to cut it to approximately 3/4 length with a scissors. And once you've cut the length, then you want to take a piece of that newspaper, usually just 2 pieces thick, and you will fold that paper approximately an inch. You can make it thicker or thinner depending on the type of nest you would like to make. So you continue to fold it until it's completely folded. What you're doing is making an internal rim for the nest. Then what I do is I take a stapler and I put a couple staples in this to stabilize it. Then you curl it around to make the rim for your nest. And don't worry about this being 100% perfect. Then you will take another piece of paper that's cut approximately 3/4 the length of the sheet. Again, this should be approximately 2 sheets thick. You will set the rim on the paper, and then you will fold from one corner in, fold from the other corner in, and then bring the other 2 corners to the rim. Then you want to tuck it around, making a nice little nest area for the bird to be placed in at St. Francis Wildlife. Don't be worried if it's not perfect. As long as it creates a nice little cup, you'll have a little nest. So that's how you will make a nest for birds for St. Francis Wildlife, and it's a renewable resource, and it's a good way to recycle newspaper. Thank you for your attention today.